So again, we'll be continuing. As you have seen that we are dealing with the question which has been asked in TY exam, and you are effectively able to getting me those answers. So again, question number, just keep in mind, I have skipped question number 1 and 2 because it was based on a balance sheet that we'll be taking up later on. Now we'll be going for the next question. Same thing is there even in the book. Once you solve, you will understand, okay, we went and we followed the same methodology. Question number 4 comprises both trading P&L and balance sheet. So I can't take it now because we have not done the practice of balance sheet as of now. Okay. So we'll be going for question number 5. Question number 5, page number 20. Question number 5, page number 20. See, this is for Maruti Car Limited, and these are the details. This is one cryptographical error. This should be 2012. Again, it has been asked in TY exam. Now, this time you will realize they have not given the detail in horizontal form. Yes or no? The details are not in horizontal form, what we have seen in previous question. So it's okay, no problem. That is not going to change our approach for solving the question of vertical statement. Again, we will be doing the same. We'll start with sales. I think that will be my first item, will be sales only. Purchases, where to be reflect? Quickly. Fast.
Cost of good.
Absolutely correct. Cost of goods sold. Opening stock. Opening stock.
Cost of good.
Cost of goods sold.
Closing stock. Closing stock quickly. Closing stock. Again, it is a part of cost of goods sold only. Baba, we just now you have taken. Where you have taken? Only the things it has to be deducted. Simple. It has to be deducted. That's it. Return inward. What do you mean by that? Return.
Sales.
Yes. So it will be a part and parcel of sales. Less from sales. Carriage outward. Very nice. Carriage outward.
Cost of good.
Carriage outward means what?
Operating expenses, selling and distribution expenses.
Absolutely right answer. Carriage outward is carriage on sales. Carriage outward is carriage on sales. Okay. The carriage which we have incurred for taking goods outside the factory. It is selling and distribution. Carriage inward.
Cost of goods sold.
Absolutely right. On purchases. Return inward. Sorry, return outward. I'm so sorry. Return outward. Return outward.
Selling and distribution expense.
Wrong answer. Return outward means purchase return. Cost of sales. Mehak and all, I'm not going to listen anything which you are putting on chat box, because here I have certain students who are interactive. So I want to have an interaction with the student, Deepesh, Pradnya, Pratham. There are many. Okay. So unmute and be a part of it. Next, salesman salary.
Selling and distribution.
Yes.
expense.
Advertisement and publicity.
Selling and
Got
distribution.
it.
Selling and distribution.
Salesman's traveling allowance.
Same selling and distribution.
Absolutely right. Office salary. Office salary.
Office and administrative expenses.
Absolutely right. Computer repairs and maintenance. Computer repairs and maintenance.
Office and
Absolutely
administrative
right.
expense.
Rent, rates and taxes.
Office and administrative expenses.
Absolutely right. Printing and stationery.
Office and administrative expenses.
Absolutely right. I mean, whosoever is getting me these answers, they have already got a nick of it and they are on the right track. That dates.
Selling and distribution.
Selling and distribution expenses.
Absolutely right. Purchase on computer.
Office and administrative expenses.
Yes, but it is a kind of capital expenditure. I doubt they must have taken. It's an item of balance sheet. We have to add to the asset. Am I right? Depreciation you can take, not entire cost. Okay. Dividend of on share, credit means it is an income. Trade means income,
Non-operating.
non-operating income. Absolutely right. Staff welfare expense.
Office and administrative
Absolutely
expense.
right.
Correct. Administrative.
Interest debit, that means interest paid.
Finance expenses.
Thank you, Dipesh. I have to take your name also now. Very good participation. Now you started very right. And loss on sale of shares.
Non-operating expenses.
Non-operating expenses.
Absolutely right. So again, we have to transform it in vertical form. So this is my question number 5, page number 20. Am I right? Question number 5, page number 20. Honestly speaking, today these many lectures were required. Otherwise, the grip of the subject would not have been possible. And now I am finding my student has, this 10 to 15 student has got a very good grip. Provided if they will practice, definitely they are understanding things in better manner. It's just a base. There will be applicability of it, which will be learning in due course. So again today, without wasting your time, please practice at home. There are plenty of such questions in this solved and unsolved. बहुत सारे question दिए हुए हैं. Just ignore the balance sheet wala question. Do it only the revenue statement wala question. And try to understand as much as you can. Okay? I hope things are clear. And today's assignment will be now balance sheet statement, sources of fund and application of fund. Kindly write down and then try to attend my next lecture. So now I will not wait only till retained earning. I will prepare the balance sheet also. I hope now you must have understood the funda. So you'll be writing 4-5 times in your notebook and assignment book, and then only you will try to attend my lecture. Next, we have question number 5. So they have started with sales. I will take sales, then all items of cost of sales, purchase, opening stock, closing stock, return inward, carriage inward, return outward. Till here it will come in cost of sales. So I will take up all this. Sales is given. I hope you must have seen the return inward also. So I have used the same word. Kindly write down. Vertical revenue statement for the year ending 31st March 2014. Very good. Huge amount of student has joined us. Anurag, Nistha, Carol, Mehak. They have joined us. Very good. Keep it up. It will definitely going to help you for learning. Next. Till here you have completed, then let me know. Then we'll start with cost of sales. In cost of sales also this time very good details are given, new things are given as the nomenclature of inward, outward kind of. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So opening stock, purchases, return outward, carriage inward, closing stock of finished goods. Take down. Pradnya, there is one student with SWT. ये कितने टाइम से मैंने उसको वेट पे रखा है, जब तक वो चेंज नहीं करेंगे या करेगी और करेगा, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एडमिट देम. So kindly inform the student whenever they are logging in, there should be roll number followed by name. And next time onwards, there are still students who have not changed their DP. Manjunath है, पूजा है, मेरे लेक्चर में सबको एब्सेंट कर दो. अनस है, पलक शर्मा इज देयर, पंक्ति एंड रोशन. तो ये जो 5 बच्चे हैं, अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं इम्प्रूव होते हैं, अभी देखो वीडियो मोड पे तो आने लगे बच्चे, तो अगर ये इम्प्रोवाइज नहीं करते हैं, मार्क इन माय लेक्चर, डोंट आस्क मी एब्सेंट. वेरी क्लियर. I am very, very particular about discipline and all this aspect. When MCOM, TY, these students are following, why not these students? जैसे FY वाला चिंगू मिंगू is following. इनकी अभी लायकत क्या हुई है? Yes, Aryan, you people are going very nice. Okay, so after this, what we will get is gross profit margin, and then operating expenses will start. I hope you must have taken all operating expenses. We have all three. We have operating expenses in office and administration also, selling and distribution also, and finance का एक item है ना, interest वाला. All are there. So all we are going to write one by one. So we will take up all items of office and administration quickly. Mr. What is missing? Just let me know. Be quick. Write fast. Write down fast. Others, you start with office and administration. I hope your fundas are clear. Let me take both together. Carriage, na? Yes. We can incorporate it. You better be quick. So henceforth in all my lecture, you required to have your notebook. You required to have your calculator, pencil, eraser, everything, because here the presentations are very important. Not merely writing here and there as a sad manner what you have had an experience of financial accounting. Very good. Keep it up. So now you can proceed for selling and distribution. Write down all the selling expenses quickly. And if you will completing, then you can leave and you better go for the next lecture also, because you have your another session from 11. Okay, thank you. So the next one is selling and distribution. Just check. These all were there. I have clubbed together. See, there are two school of thoughts. One, who is considering bad debts as a selling and distribution, and absolutely it should be considered, because from where the bad debts originated, we have done credit sales. Why we have done the credit sales? Because we wanted to promote the sales. Those credit sales became the debtors, and those debtors who have not paid off, who were able to pay, became the bad debtors or bad debts. So logically it should be selling and distribution. But other school of thought is that they also understand it's our financial loss. So in some time in management accounting, they consider it as financial expenses as well. So both the answers are right, but for that you kindly mention a note that bad debts I am considering as a financial expenses, or bad debts I am considering as selling and distribution expense. I'm really very happy. More number of students has joined now. Two-way learning by putting their video mode on. It's the right way of learning because I can give the assurity of these students to whom I'm finding and I'm seeing that they are writing. Those cameras which are off, I cannot comment on them. Great, Samiksha. I'm just waiting for others. Good, good, very good. So there were another finance expense also. Interest wala tha na ek. Take it back. So whatever is left out is operating net profit. So from gross margin, operating expenses deduct total to what we left. Very good. So you can leave Pradnya now. No problem. Because 11 again after 10 minutes you have another lecture to attend. No problem. Others also just finish and you can leave. No problem. There were non-operating income like dividend on share, and there was non-operating expenses also, loss on sale of shares. The net profit we got as 15 lakh 10,000. Once again, I am stating there are many questions which are based on this, solved and unsolved. Try to practice those questions. They have not taken Aryan. We should take it as only purchase of computers will not come. 75,750. Yeah. Selling and distribution. वहां पे लिखा नहीं अपन ने. अपना selling and distribution is how much? 4,65,250. हाँ देखो ये टोटल करोगे तो 4 लाख का आता है क्या? One more. Thank you for reminding. Now you will be getting 4,65,250. So kindly do that. Aryan, done? Understood now? Great. हाँ वही हुआ है. डिलीवरी नहीं है तो नहीं लिखेंगे होगा. So kindly finish it off. You have 4-5 minutes to go. Next time, whenever we will come, we will start now learning of balance sheet, and then we will take both the question together. Revenue statement also and balance sheet statement also. Or you want me to give the practice of revenue only this week? Next week we should start with balance sheet. Choice is yours. Because I believe tomorrow only I have lecture. No re Baba. Now it is day after tomorrow. Yes, chalega. You can practice balance sheet and come. Now those who have completed, they can leave with the final answer. Thank you, Vita. One more thing, if you have not paid the fees, kindly make the fees payment because already notice is there. Before having the penalty or some other things to be imposed by the higher authorities, try to make the payment of fees. Completed everyone? Okay, now only five, 6 students are left. Those who have completed, they can leave now. Okay, थोड़े ही बच्चे बचे हैं, ठीक है. You people can leave now. Thank you, बेटा. This all going to help you a lot. आने वाले दिनों में बहुत काम आएगा ये सारी चीजें जो अभी हम नया सीख रहे हैं. Very very important. Thank you, Parth.